Good afternoon, everybody. Gonna build a little project here today. Got this crate. I'm gonna put an anchor in it with my boat, but it's gonna sit in the front of my boat. I'm gonna turn it into a little bit of a bench so I can put my gear inside. So what I've done is I've taken a piece of plywood, put some stops on there, so it'll just go on there like that. I can use it as a seat too. So I'll walk you through the process of covering this little seat. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut some foam out. What I have here is a 1/2 inch. It's pretty dense foam. It's closed cell foam, so it won't absorb any moisture. So I'm going to lay this on there. Now, a trick I learned, if you take a standard bobbin, you stick a pen through that, and it's going to be our perfect space for what I need to make my foam bigger. You just trace around this with the pen. Get my pen to write. Made an indent in there. My pen didn't write very good, but that's about the size we want that. Just a little over 3/8 of an inch larger than my piece of wood. But anyway, I'm going to trace a couple of those out, and then we'll glue them onto it, and then we'll just pull a cover over it. All right, this is just going to be a quick, fast, and simple project. I've glued 2 thicknesses of foam on there. Just going to want enough to pull around, so probably 3, I'm guessing 3 inches on each side. 3.5, something like that. Not really going to measure it, I'm just going to cut it out. If I got excess, I'll just trim it off. This is a roll-in material that I've got here. Okay, so I got my fabric placed on there. You got to remember, vinyl has some stretch across the roll and in the corners. So I think we're going to start on the edges in the middle and work our way to the corners. So we'll pull that up and tack it. Swing it around, pull it tight. Tack it on all 4 sides. Okay, now I'm going to go to my corners. So you can see I got a few wrinkles on those from pulling that. So I'm going to go to my corners now and work that out. Opposite corner. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now I'll just work my way to the corners. Try to do this so you can see. Those will have little pleats in them as I work my way around the corner, taking up that extra. It doesn't have a boxing or anything that I've sewed onto it. It's just going to be just like this. Alright, I got it all done around the edges. The only thing I got left to do is trim it off. Alright, there it is. Finished side looks pretty good. It'll be a nice little stool in the boat for somebody to sit on while they're fishing. Anyway, if you learned something from this, if it was helpful, you know the drill. Subscribe if you haven't, like if you do, and hit that bell for notifications. Every once in a while I'll be doing a few upholstery type sewing videos, so they'll be uploaded onto my channel. So have a good day.